Welcome to this video on how to install the Sonoff Mini Door 2-gang Matter over Wi-Fi Smart Switch. Before anything, please make sure the power is turned off for safety. Loosen the screws on both the device and the switch. Identify the wires in the wall box. Check the wiring diagrams, then follow along with the video to connect the wires correctly. Once everything is in place, make sure all the screws are tightened securely. Next, turn the power back on. Open the WiFi app on your phone. You'll find a QR code on the back of the device and on the last page of the manual. Scan it to start pairing, then follow the on-screen instructions. Press and hold the front button of the device for about 5 seconds until the indicator light flashes 2 short and 1 long. This means it's in pairing mode. Continue following the app steps to connect to Wi-Fi and complete the pairing process. Turn the power off and carefully place both the device and your wall switch back into the wall box. Then, turn the power back on. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your new smart switch.